Okay, hello guys. Hope you're good. Yes, I know you're good. So for our science on week 5, we will be doing classes of plants and types of plants. So today on day 1, we are going to be talking about classes and types of plants. Okay, and we have 2 classes of plants. How many classes of plants do we have? Very good. We have 2 classes of plants. We have the cultivated plants and the wild plants. Okay, so what are cultivated plants, guys? Cultivated plants are those plants that we intentionally plant. We plant them and we help them to grow. Those are what cultivated plants. For example, we plant an apple tree, we plant an orange tree, or we plant, for example, a carrot, or we plant a nut, like a peanut, and we help them to grow. So these are what cultivated plants. Now, what is a wild plant? A wild plant is those plants that develop or they occur by themselves. They occur or they develop naturally. They don't need our help to grow. They are there by themselves and they can grow without our help. Okay, so on this board, what do we have? We have cultivated and wild plants. Cultivated plants are those plants that we intentionally plant and grow. Wild plants are those plants that we develop naturally. For example, here we have wild plants, cultivated plants. Wild plants do not need our help to grow. Like I told you guys, they don't need our help to grow. They can grow by themselves. Okay? And cultivated plants need our help to grow. We need to water them. We need to check on them to see if they are growing well, to position them very well. We can use sticks sometimes to attach to the ones that needs help or something to lean on. We put water on them in order to help them to do what? To grow. Those are what? Cultivated plants, because they need our help to grow. For example, we have asparagus. Asparagus is a wild plant. It grows by itself. It doesn't need our help to grow. So asparagus is what? A wild plant. And for example, cultivated plants, we have trees. For example, an orange tree is a cultivated plant. A mango tree is a cultivated plant. An apple tree is a cultivated plant. They need our help to grow. So these are cultivated plants. And we have types of trees, types of plants. We have types of plants. What are the types of plants? Guys, look here. We have trees. Tree is a type of plant. We have bushes. Bush is a type of plant. And we have grass. Grasses are types of plants. Okay? And trees have what we call trunk. In a tree, you will find trunk. A trunk of a tree. Like another branch of a tree. Like the body of a tree. That is what? A trunk. Bushes have stems. What are stems? The ones that are attached also on the body. Those are stems. Okay? From where it gets nutrients. Grasses have thin leaves. What are leaves, guys? You remember, right? Leaves. So grasses have very thin, very light leaves. Okay? So these are the characteristics of these plants. So when you see a tree, you know trees have trunks. And when you see bushes, you know bushes, they have stems, okay? They have stems. And when you see grasses, you know that grasses, their leaves are very thin, okay? So guys, now we have a question for you. You need to copy this into your notebook. Remember writing the dates, the vocabulary, and the objective. Copy this into your notebook and copy this question and you answer the question. Is apple a cultivated plant? So you need to answer yes or no. Okay, guys? So when you finish copying your note, we're going to work on the workbook. Okay, guys? See you when we come back to school. I miss you guys and I love you guys. Okay? Okay, guys, so on day 2, we're going to come over to this page and we're going to match and say. We're not going to listen, okay? We listen when we come back to the class. So, you're going to match and say this. What is this, guys? Very good. What is this? Good. And what is this? Good. So now you're going to match these things, okay? And then you come here, you write bush. You write tree, bush, or grass. So what is this? It's already done for you, okay? So you're going to write this, write this, write this, write this, and write this. Using these 3 words. We have tree, bush, and grass. And what are these, guys? Remember, we did this yesterday. These are types of plants. Remember, we have tree, bush, and grass. Trees have trunks. Bushes have stems. And grasses have 10 leaves. Okay, guys? So we're going to turn over here. And we're going to come over here, guys. We're not doing 34 now. We're going to do 34 tomorrow. So we quickly come over to 35. We're listen and write wide or cultivated. So you're going to listen to me, guys. So this man is working on the farm because he wants to plant some trees. And this is this plant is here by itself. It grows by itself. It doesn't need our help to grow. So now you're going to write here and here, wide or cultivated. Which of these plants is wide and which one is cultivated, okay? And we come over here, guys, read and match. So we're going to look at these pictures, these plants. Are they wide plants or cultivated plants? So you need to match, okay? You need to match. And then we come over to page 36. No, guys, we're doing page 38. And this is a review, guys. We already done all this. So now we have roots, stems, leaves, flowers. And which one is a flower, guys? Which one is a root? Which one is a stem? And which one is a leaf, okay? And here you're going to draw tree, bush, and grass. And this is all you have to do for day 2 on science, okay?